Something big is brewing for millions in the Pi network community. The anticipation is palpable. Pioneers worldwide are counting down to November 22, 2025, a date charged with anticipation. It's a day that could redefine their journey. The excitement centers on a possible major announcement from Pi Network's founder, Dr. Nicolas. Speculations are running wild. Social media is ablaze with speculation and hope. Conversations are buzzing with theories and predictions. For years, pioneers have mined Pi coins on their phones, nurturing the project like a plant waiting to bloom. Their dedication has been unwavering. Now, many believe this date could mark a turning point, a reward for their patience. The community's optimism is at an all-time high. The timing isn't random. November 22nd also marks a major update to the global SWIFT banking system. This synchronicity is hard to ignore. This coincidence has fueled theories that Pi Network is aligning itself with the future of finance. The possibilities seem endless. The community is alive with predictions, connecting dots and sharing dreams. Every conversation is filled with excitement. For pioneers, this isn't just about a speech. It's about validation for years of belief and effort. They've built communities, invited friends, and contributed to Pi's growth. Their collective effort has been the backbone of this journey. November 22nd feels like a potential graduation day, a moment when Pi could finally step onto the world stage. It's a culmination of years of hard work. The hope is that Dr. Nicolas will announce Pi's transition from its current enclosed phase to an open global network. This could be the breakthrough everyone has been waiting for. The air is thick with anticipation. Will this be the day Pi becomes a currency for everyone? The stakes have never been higher. The world is watching, and the Pi community is holding its breath. Every second feels like an eternity. Whatever happens, November 22nd is set to be a milestone in the Pi network journey. It's a day that will be remembered for years to come. Let's take a closer look and separate fact from fiction, so you can make informed decisions about what's really happening. Despite all the buzz and speculation circulating online, the Pi core team hasn't officially confirmed any event or major announcement for November 22, 2025. There are no press releases, no official posts, and no verified statements from the team about this date. The excitement and anticipation you see are entirely community-driven, fueled by hope and enthusiasm, not by any official statements or promises from the core team. One persistent rumor is the so-called global consensus value, $314,150 per Pi coin, a number that's clearly inspired by the mathematical constant Pi, but has no basis in reality or official documentation. This is pure wishful thinking, a dream rather than an official target or realistic expectation. It's important to recognize the difference between aspiration and fact. Another widespread rumor claims that Pi will instantly connect with major banks and cryptocurrencies like XRP and Stellar, supposedly because of the ISO 2022 standard. While integration with traditional finance is certainly a long-term goal, no such partnerships or technical integrations have been confirmed or announced by the core team. Building these kinds of connections is a complex process that takes significant time, negotiation, and technical development. The truth is, the core team is currently focused on developing the technology, improving KYC verification, and growing the Pi ecosystem step by step. The November 22nd hype is a testament to the community's passion and energy, but pioneers should always rely on official Pi network channels for accurate news and updates. Always check the source. Just like a good scientist checks their data before drawing conclusions, you should verify information before believing or sharing it. Stay curious, keep asking questions, but always stay grounded in facts and evidence. What is Pi Network? It's a new kind of digital money designed for everyone. Founded by Stanford grads, including Dr. Nicolas, Pi lets you mine coins from your phone. No expensive hardware needed. Pioneers, the early adopters, help secure the network by simply pressing a button daily. Tens of millions have joined, forming a global community. Pi's vision goes beyond just a coin. It aims to power an ecosystem of apps, marketplaces, and services. The goal: real-world utility, not just speculation. Right now, Pi is in the enclosed mainnet phase, live, but protected from outside exchanges. Pioneers who pass KYC can use Pi within the ecosystem, trading goods and services. This is a dress rehearsal before Pi opens to the world. The big show is yet to come. ISO 2022. What's the buzz? Think of it as a universal language for financial transactions, making global payments clearer and faster. It allows banks and institutions to send detailed, standardized payment information. The Pi community believes Pi is working toward ISO 2122 compliance. If achieved, this could make Pi more compatible with traditional finance. It's not regulatory approval, but a technical step forward. ISO 2122 compliance would help Pi speak the same language as banks and other crypto projects like XRP and Stellar. It's about credibility and future readiness. But remember, compliance doesn't guarantee adoption by banks. It's a foundation, not a finish line. For Pi, it's a move toward bridging crypto and traditional finance. 2025 has brought real progress for Pi Network, marking a year of innovation and transformation for the entire community. The biggest leap, a new AI-powered KYC system that cleared millions of pending identity verifications, making onboarding faster and more secure than ever before. This breakthrough moves more pioneers onto the mainnet, a crucial step toward opening the network to everyone and expanding its reach. Another milestone, Pi Network launched a DeFi testnet, featuring an automated market maker and a decentralized exchange built right inside the Pi wallet. Now, pioneers can experiment with swapping test assets and creating liquidity pools. No real Pi at risk, making it a safe space to learn and innovate. This prepares the community for advanced financial tools on the Pi blockchain, helping users get comfortable with decentralized finance. Developers can test, learn, and fix bugs before real assets go live, ensuring a smoother launch and a more reliable ecosystem for everyone. Pi Network Ventures also made its first investment, signaling ecosystem growth and attracting new talent and ideas to the platform. These updates show Pi is more than an idea. It's becoming a real, functional ecosystem with active participation from its global community. The foundation for the open mainnet is being laid step by step with every new feature and community milestone. Progress is visible, momentum is building, and the pace of development is only accelerating as more people get involved. The future is taking shape, and Pi Network is leading the way into a new era of digital innovation. With excitement comes misinformation, fake news and rumors, like the 314 $159 Pi value, spread quickly, creating confusion and false hope. Some spread hype for personal gain, others are scammers targeting pioneers. The core team is fighting back, launching campaigns to combat misinformation and urging the community to report scams. The best defense? Trust only official Pi Network channels, the app, website, and verified social media. Ignore screenshots, unverified videos, and unofficial groups. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The core team is the only source for real updates. Stay vigilant, stay smart, and help protect the community. Truth and transparency are the foundation of Pi's future. Progress is real, but challenges remain. The enclosed mainnet limits real-world use. Pi must launch an open mainnet to become a global currency. This means connecting to exchanges and allowing outside developers to build on Pi. The transition must be secure and stable. Regulation is another hurdle. Governments are still figuring out how to handle crypto, and Pi's massive user base will attract scrutiny. The core team must navigate complex legal landscapes to ensure global compliance. Partnerships are also key. Businesses, payment processors, and institutions must see value in Pi. Building trust and utility takes time. Overcoming these hurdles is the next big challenge. The journey to global adoption is just beginning. What's the recipe for Pi's success? First, robust technology, secure, scalable, and ready for millions of users. Second, real utility, apps and marketplaces where Pi can be spent on actual goods and services. Third, a smooth, well-timed open mainnet launch, only when the ecosystem and KYC are mature. Fourth, trust and clear communication, transparency from the core team, and patience from the community. Fighting misinformation is essential. Success won't come overnight. It's a gradual process. Building, testing, and growing utility are key. The community's support and trust are vital. Together, these ingredients will determine Pi's future. As November 22nd approaches, excitement is high, but facts matter most. Critical thinking is your best tool. Always ask, is this official? The Pi app and verified social media are your primary sources for news. Watch for 3 milestones: KYC and mainnet migration progress, new apps and partnerships, and the official open mainnet announcement. The future isn't tied to a single date. It's built daily by developers and pioneers. Whether November 22nd is historic or just another step, progress and real utility are what count. Stay curious, engaged, and informed. The journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Being a smart, well-informed pioneer is the best way to contribute. The world is watching Pi Network's next move. Stay tuned and be ready for what's next. The story is still being written.